Okay, so it's 10:53 p.m. and I just want to say I now understand why people charge what they do for a handmade journal, because I have been cutting and cutting. You can see here's just some of my scraps, and cutting for a long time. I mommed all day and now I'm moonlighting, and I love it. And these are going to be really cute journals, and I have some pockets. I'm making these pockets with these cards, all hand cut. I can get it in there. Hand cut, you know, hand tea dyed. I made my own pattern. I made like a prototype. Anyway, it's taking me hours. It's taking me days. It's actually taking me weeks. I mean, not straight. Obviously, this is not my full-time job, but I love it, and so that's why I'm doing it, but I'm exhausted. And so I now understand why things cost so much on Etsy, and I will probably have to figure out how many hours I spent on this and then reflect that in how much each journal is, or packet or kit or whatever the heck I'm making. But yeah, and then I'll probably end up paying myself like $3 an hour. But that's okay. I am not complaining. I'm just saying I understand. So just wanted to show you all what I'm doing. It's going to be beautiful. I had this old file folder that was purple with this grid inside. Isn't that beautiful? And so I used the grid as kind of inspiration, and I put the grid on the back of the journaling cards, and I used grid, where is it? Tea-dyed grid paper. So it's going to be a really beautiful thing. I don't even know what it's going to be yet, but just wanted to share my process with you all and show you what I've been working on. So I will probably upload this in the AM or tomorrow or at some point. But happy Memorial Day to all of you, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.